Hello, good morning, beautifuls. It's a beautiful Tuesday out there, and we are set again for our face mask tutorial. For today's face mask, I'll be using aspirin and my regular lemon juice. I always squeeze my lemon juice in advance and put it in the fridge. Aspirin, some of the things you can use aspirin for, apart from you using it as a blood thinner, you can use it for your skin also. It's helping closing up pores on your skin. If you have dry skin and you want to brighten your face, aspirin is also good. And if you just want to have if you have blemishes, acne, you can use aspirin to get rid of those two. So today I'll be using aspirin and lemon juice, as I said earlier. So all I need is just 5 of the aspirin, which I already have on my plate right here. 5 tablets of aspirin. Then I'm just going to add a little bit, say like half teaspoon of my lemon juice. You don't want it to be too watery, so because you want to use it to make a paste so that it can stick to your face when you rub it on. So I'm just going to add like half to dissolve the aspirin. And lemon juice is very good in dissolving aspirin because it acts fast. Unlike water, you have to wait for a little while before the water gets soaked up. But with lemon juice is like it acts fast in dissolving aspirin. As you can see, my aspirin is already dissolving, so I'm just gonna match the aspirin, make it into a paste, make it into paste form. There are so many ingredients you can mix aspirin with. However, since today's tutorial is just based on aspirin and lemon juice, we're just gonna stick with aspirin and lemon juice for right now. Maybe in my next tutorial I'll show you what other ingredients you can add aspirin to make your face mask. So this is well dissolved right now. If you guys can see it's dissolved. You can see it's in the middle of the plate right there. My aspirin and my lemon juice is dissolved, so I'm just trying to make sure I mix everything in. Just mix everything in, and it's ready for application. So all I'm just going to do is just put my finger on the aspirin and massage it to my face, rub it on my face. It's very good for sunburn too. If you have sunburn, you can use aspirin to get rid of sunburn. So I'm just gonna add it, rub it on my face, just like so. Then you leave this for between 15 to 30 minutes and you wash it with you rinse it off with water. You can use lukewarm water, you can use cold water, whichever one is you prefer. It doesn't matter. Then you apply your face moisturizer. As I'm applying it, at the same time I'm using it to scrub my face. Not so hard, just gently use it to scrub face. And immediately you're doing that, you're gonna be feeling some tingling on your face, which tells you it's working. Whenever I'm doing my face mask, I always like to apply my mask to my neck too, so because I want everything to be even. I want my face and my neck to be even, so I apply some on my neck too and massage it, like I said, as you're rubbing it to your face, you try to massage, use your face for massage, to make it sink in. Now with this, I'm just gonna wait for 15 to 20, between 15 to 30 minutes, and wash it off. That is the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be having the opportunity to watch more of my tutorial. Please do go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you some other day. Thank you.